Got a 2009 Honda Accord. Immobilizer is blinking. All keys are lost. We're going to go ahead and say we want one key programmed to the vehicle. I'm going to say OK. Turn the ignition off. Ignition is off. Turn the ignition on. And we're just going to repeat this. Repeat the steps as to what it says. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on, and we want that green light to go away. Turn the ignition off. Ignition is now off. And turn the ignition on. That light went away. We're good to go. We're going to finish the process and show you that the car starts the vehicle. The key starts the vehicle, my bad. Immobilizer did go out. Turn the ignition off. Turn it back on. Right now we're just closing out of the cycle for the programming. Current keys is 1. The registration is complete. Turn the ignition off, and we will go ahead and test that out. There you go. Ignition started. Key is programmed, and all is done. Thank you so much for watching.